1,000 miles from anywhere, in the middle of an ocean, lies a pearl of the ocean, Seychelles, my native land. I'm going back to the Seychelles, where the clock chimes twice. I'm going back to the Seychelles, Isles of Paradise. I left my island long ago. I wanted to see the world. I found out wherever I go, I can't forget that girl. Going back to the Seychelles, where the clock chimes twice. Going back to the Seychelles, Isles of Paradise. I can still remember that day when I sailed away. She was standing by the sea, picking seashells on the shore. How I miss that blue, blue sea, the green sea